ano, tropa ni Pablo.
Tropa ni Pablo.
That is tropical orange.
The head of the family, Cesar Mesa.
Nagulat ako ah. Kahit ako nagulat eh, sorry.
For our opening prayer, let us call on Sebastian.
He needs his mama to beg. In the name of the Father,
Father, the Son, Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Dear God, thank you for bringing us together for the special Christmas celebration. We are grateful for the love of our family and the blessings you have given us. Please help us to remember that real meaning of Christmas. The gift of Jesus, who brings peace, joy, and warmth to our hearts. With our time together, the food will share, we will share, and the happiness will fill together. Then pray for the name of Jesus,
Christ. Amen.
Amen.
Thanks to the gift of a beautiful season. I'd like to
Season.
Thank you. For our lunch, may I introduce our kitchen utensils. Thank you for our major sponsor for the lechon.
Wow. You're welcome.
Thank you. Bye, Taya.
Ulit kami?
Ulit.
Ah, no?
Bye. Isa pa.
Ano talang tanagan tayo? Sino matira? Ayun yung mauna.
Oh, bye, Taya.
Ano ba? At least may 3 seconds ka. Like
Are you
everyone.
using this?
Look, Dad. Okay.
Huh.
Oh. Oh, it's really hard.
Okay.
All of that? How
all of
many?
them. You have to finish it.
Okay.
If it drops, you have to go
It's
put
okay,
it
you're not
back.
gonna eat it anyways. It's
Yeah,
okay
you have to put it back.
Okay.
I mean, there's some more marshmallows if you want.
And then,
Okay.
you blow this, I can't. Oh. Yeah, all of that. Okay.
Yeah,
You
all
need
of
to,
that.
yeah, okay.
Drop it on the floor.
Oh my gosh, no!
Basic.
Basic.
Basic. This one you have to separate each color.
Using by hand?
Yes.
Shame!
By hand.
Any.
Like for
One or two.
example,
So,
grouping.
orange,
Yeah.
yellow, green. 5.
Everything.
5 cups?
Everything.
I think that's 6 cups. 6 cups. This one is bonus. It's up to you if you want to do it. But if you shoot it, minus 1 second.
Totoo siya gusto yung toothpick.
Game. 1, 2,
Tapos may tinga-tinga afterwards, oh. Tapos tuloy-tuloy yung laway afterwards.
Oh, may taga-cheer!
100. Hirap. Dami namang marshmallow niyan. Di ba tayo yung tatlo lang? Oy, 100 dalit daw kasi. 100. Okay. Tabi ka, tabi.
Nangangailangan.
Wow, bilis!
Hirap niyan. Yan.
Pick up.
May taga-pito.
No, no. It's okay, it's okay. Go, Wilson. Yan.
Oh. May taga-cheer! Lugi, lugi! Ang dami!
Uy.
Hindi, ayusin niya yan. Ayusin. Sure ako. Ayusin niya yan. Sure ako.
Parang ang hirap no.
Oo, mahirap. Pero ayusin niya yan. Kailangan niya i-sort out.
Tak!
Tapos kinuha niya yung hinuli niya yung ano. Para...
You got this, Tita. You're doing it. Good job.
Sana all!
Yay! Come on, you can do it.
5 years later. Oo, additional time din yun, no? Pero,
Saglit na yan, saglit, saglit. Oh my God, may ano ko.
go yeah. Sa ibo.
All done na? Okay, player number 2.
Round 2. Fight.
1, 2, 3.
Go, mommy.
Go, you got this, mommy.
Go, mommy. Go, mommy. Go, mommy.
Seryoso siya, seryoso. Huwag niyo ako patawanin. May taga-cheer, may taga-cheer. Isandaan tayo, isandaan. Go, mommy. Go, mommy. Oh no, kakalobo lang nito kagabi. Wow, lakas ah. Kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo. Lakay mo, lakay mo.
Yun, double kill, double kill.
Ganun talaga.
Sandaan yan eh.
Girawan mo.
Nagiginig pa po.
Kaya nga eh, kasi shaky, I'm shaky.
Yung iba basa na kamay niyo. Laka na yun. Mahuli na please.
Hala, pasmado ako. Go, mami.
Go, mommy. No, mommy, go, mommy, go, mommy.
Kuya Will, 2 seconds lang ulit ang ako ha. 2 seconds deduct nila. Isa lang yung napasok mo, di ba? Ay, nagkano na kaya ah. Nag-volunteer eh. Ayan naman nag-volunteer. Wala nang nag-volunteer.
Wala nag-volunteer.
Oh no, pasmado here.
Hindi yung may nginig.
Ay, nasa na isa?
Wala na, ako na, ako na.
Okay na yan. Hirap yung marshmallow.
Oh, dumidikit no?
You need to do this one time. It's really hard na lang.
Kailangan i-shake yung ulo.
Oo, ang hirap.
Sakit pa naman sa ulo.
Ayaw mag-let go.
100.
100. 100.
Ah, sticky,
Ano parang
sticky.
ano ka, may advantage pag huli ka kasi nakikita mo yung mga ganito. Yung mga, ang tawag doon, technique na iba. So, gagayahin mo. Kung ano mabilis, gagayahin mo yung technique.
Nagaya na nga ako eh.
Ito man lang. Ito man lang. Ito.
Parang pinakamahirap yung marshmallow.
Oo. Lalo pa pag matangkad. Hindi, nahirapan ako dyan.
Ah, syempre. Oh, shit.
Kaya na ba ko? Ay, mamaya na.
You cheer him, you cheer him.
Oh, it will flower.
Ayaw. Ah, pwede rin yun. Isa-isahin.
Ay, pagkapasa ko yung kamay.
Buti nga hindi na masyado.
Pasmag.
Nanginig ako. Bumagay.
Nanginig na.
Pasmagay na.
Hirap eh.
Who was there?
Tapos dyslexic tayo. Yan lang.
Sabi ni Answer, ano ka daw? Colorblind.
Nakabalik.
Nababalik tayo. Ah, parang katulad mo na ako ngayon sa green tsaka sa blue.
Let's go, gamer. Let's go.
Can you do that, Mama? That's fast.
No. Oo, nanginig din ka.
Ang mga pasmado. Hoy, nakatayo. Who's there?
Do you wanna play the game too, Papa?
Okay, that's
Then you want to
perfect. One.
Oh,
Guys!
I feel better now.
Ah! Nice try.
Uy, yung star ginamit ko. Ibalik mo yung ginamit ko.
Game. 1, 2, 3, go.
Mahirap to. Aba, palaban. Uy, go!
Walang technique. Alam mo,
Basta huwag kayo tusok sobra. Promise. Sinay ko yun sa kwarto ko mag-isa, sabi ko.
Parang ka na? Parang ka na?
Kakailo.
Ay!
Mahirap no.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, kaya ni Tintin.
Oh, yeah.
It's like she's trying to. Oh, you can collect. You can collect. You can collect. You can collect.
Go pa!
Oh, don't put it back in. You wait for it.
Yan, gawin mo na.
Okay. Nagana na ako. You need to join. Gawin mo, kuya. Oh, kaya yung gawin ko. Mag-join na.
Hindi dapat.
Just one. Yeah. Bakit?
Kailangan nyo ng ano yung tuwalya.
Uy, kailangan namin tuwalya. Nagkakita na yung tuwalya namin. Tapos ang tuwalya namin galing kay Mark Long. Uncle Mark.
Ah, David Jones.
Uy, nagmura yung ako. Oo.
Ba't yun sinabi? Hindi pa kaya ako nakabili.
Yung sabi namin. There's a red. Okay.
There's a red.
You will fix it. You will fix it. You will fix it.
Don't worry guys.
Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys.
Teka, ikaw na. Sabi na mama. Teka, teka. Ikaw din. Hindi. Sayang try mo. Malay mo. Okay.
Kuno mo. Ano kay Papa?
Si Papa, okay.
Masali ka. Masali ka.
Huwag ka magwala.
Mahirap, no? Ilalo na talaga.
Go, ate ka! Go, ate ka! Mabagal ba?
Magkakatuwa niya si ate ang color ko.
Hindi nga. Magkakatuwa
It's
niya ba?
okay. It's okay.
Huwag mo na paasa mo.
Pinapaasa mo ko.
It's okay.
Ako, nagkakawa niya.
Ginalingan niyo kang John.
Oh no.
I think I'm colorblind. Colorblind? What do you mean colorblind?
Wala ako sa libro.
Who wrote that one? Who wrote that one?
I-track natin to para ano, ang nadoble wow. Natin kasama.
Ha? One.
It's okay.
Oh, wait ka lang.
Masama kami mukha.
Yeah, that's why.
It's so sticky.
Papaya, nababasaan ka no.
My hands are so sticky.
Okay lang, ano palitan yung M&M?
Yan, magpapalitin niya.
Daya.
Pwede ba kami dumami ng M&M susunod? Ay, hindi, binilang yata ni Opay, ni ano eh.
Ano yan? Tignan ten.
I don't know. I did, I'm not. Mami. Mami.
Who is behind? Oh.
One point.
Sakto yun ah.
Walang higas sa pera. $100.
Go Mema! Go Mema! Go Mema! Go Mema! Kaya mo na Mema! Oh! Rakisa tayo! Rakisa! Oh!
Buhok mo.
Go Mima! Go Mima!
Natalo na ako!
Go Mima!
May sasaktan na namin.
Sige lang, huwag mo hawak.
Go Mima!
Pero,
Winter, don't block there because your mama will go in. Mahirap kasi yun na. Don't put it back. Just hold it. Hold it. Just hold it. Ay! Magaling sa buba. Ano din? Marunong mag-blow. Marunong mag-blow. Pag ganun pala dapat. Pag-ilis pala dapat.
Perfect.
Go Mima! We believe in you.
We believe in you. Oh, wait, don't move that one.
It doesn't matter if you lose or win.
Yes, that's what I told you.
wow!
It matters. It's $100.
Mema needs to win.
It matters. I need to win. Mahal yung regalo ko sa'yo.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay! Hindi mo alam pa rin.
It's okay. You already bought my gift. No, Winter. So you already bought my gift. It's okay.
Ganyan, McDonald's yan, McDonald's.
Oy, nagano na. Ate, mawawala yung tumalya mo.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Tuloy mo eh.
Guguluhin ko to. Joke lang. Kahit ano naman. Sorry lang.
Wow.
May bagong winner ah.
Mabilis. Mabilis to. Mabilis.
Sponsor ba?
Go Mema! Go Mema!
Sabo ka na.
Mabilis. Mabilis. Ano ba?
Go Mima! Go Mima! Go Mima! Go Mima!
Bakit ka?
Go Mima!
Ayaw tanggalin.
Go Mima! Go Mima!
Ayan.
Go Mima! Go Mima!
Yan.
Yay!
Wow.
Go!
Ah! Fair. Kailangan nakamukha ka.
Wait. Daddy, $100.
1, 2, 3, go!
Patay tayo dyan. Oh.
The competitive one.
Oh no!
May coach. May coach.
Coach. Saan?
Money.
Hello, I like money.
Coach na. Magaling daw mag-go.
Wow, ganun talaga. Daddy, you miss out on 7.
Nahihilig na.
Ayun na. Mga pasmado.
Ayan na, mga ano. Pasmadong gamer.
O, Daddy, na ano mo? Wala si center,
Yung
oh?
coach naman. Gusto mo ito ng coach.
Parang naglilinis sa ano? Ako ba yan? Isa pa.
Grabe.
Kasi nga dito.
Slowly but surely. Rina. Dili.
Let's go.
Let's go. Just a tip. Yan. Go. Oh, elalo. Cheer.
Go.
Cheer, grandma.
Go.
You're gonna need to catch the cup. Wow! Perfect! Wow! 2 in a row! Di ba sasama si ano? Di ba sasali si Papa?
Dalaw ka naka-ano siya.
Okay, last 3. It's tiring! I am tired already!
Not even shaking.
Yeah, I
I know. Very calm. Very demure.
know. Very cute.
Very demure, very
Mindful.
mindful.
Oh!
1, 2, 3, go.
Ah, may buhok.
Di ba man ho? Hindi niya kailangan. Hindi niya kailangan, ma.
Ayaw niya,
ma. Wag. Baka mag-anak si Imo. Baka mag-anak niya.
Bilis sa marshmallow.
Mabilis.
20 seconds sa marshmallow. Wala 1 minute.
Mabilis. May practice. Mahirap yan.
Kaya mo yan.
Ang hirap na.
Sa una lang yan. Sa una lang yan. Sa una lang.
Meron pa sa Ayan. Sige.
Mabilis ka.
Excuse me, Winsa.
Si Mama Papa.
Ayan.
Tan tan tan.
You can do it. Go, Emo.
Ay, natapon na.
Akala ko pabuga. Binabuga ko.
Tahigop.
Ayaw ko ng ganito, mga pasmado.
Nanginginig to.
Tapos na, magbabalaras na tayo.
Hindi mo, magpapalo pa.
Winter, you should play too.
Yan lang, yan.
Ano daw?
With meaning tita. Ay, yan. Nalimit sa kanya. I can feel you, tita. Don't worry. We've been there.
Hindi, nag-start siya.
Tanggalin mo lahat, tita. Yan, ganyan. Make sure na sa center para hindi mo na ulitin. Center, hindi naka-center. Pero okay na yan. Coach Ang! Ay, balato ah. Balato.
Scammer yung coach na to eh.
Balato, balato.
Ay!
Ayun. Yay!
Yay!
Second!
Ako.
Kuya Will!
Wow! Sayang, hindi 100. Ah, per si Ate Ann. Per si Ate Ann. Very demure.
Money!
Naiiyak sa'yo.
Saban. Wait lang daw. Saan na?
Ready? Get set. Go! Pa-music, racial yung music eh, no? Hawakan nyo na lang yung cup. Just hold use the hold the cup. Hold na lang the cup. It's okay. Hold the cup. You can hold the cup because it's wibbly. Hold the cup. Hold the cup na lang, Glad. Finish! Ah, wala. Si Mama. Finish. Daddy. Talagang ano siya, palaban. Up.
Oh, palinta.
Titingin na.
Dito.
Serious much? Ano yun? Wala, tuwalwan.
Mark, sabot na natin yung first prize. Abot na kaya natin yung first prize. Oh! Tanggalin yung pangalan nitong dalawa sa kapon.
Hindi ko na ilalagay.
Wala pa tayong ano na yan. Wala pa tayong kabig.
Nice. Run, 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 run. Nag-touch naman. Sa tip nga lang. Touch, touch, touch. Wow! Pwede ba tumulong?
Tapos ang yan. Pero ikaw.
It's hard! Go, Kat! Exercise for the lungs. Last one.
Thank you.
Okay? This is a game of breathe. Okay? It's on my go. Ready? Ready? Go! 1, Parang ulang ang marshmallow. Oh, protect your plate. Oh, bilang.
Dapat yung kayo magbilang.
Bakit si ate?
Ano to? Ito yung tinat kayo na. 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Ayun na, magbilang. Sabihin niyo sa akin.
Hindi, kailangan. Basta magbilang. 5,
7, 8,
Teka, ano yan? Ikaw kung yan.
21.
11, 12, 13, 14, 21,
21. Pero you can count.
8, 10,
Oy.
21.
Teka, ang mga sarang to.
Ilan sa'yo ka? 10 lang. 10,
Oh, bilangin mo, ilan?
14, 19, 21. Ikaw?
55.
14.
Sino yung 21?
Ate yan. Ang lakas talaga na. Ban na to next year, ah.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Mima.
Wait.
Ay, anak
Oh, mga bata.
Celestine.
Kids, I have a gift for you, kids. You will get the money under the bottle without tipping the bottle. Okay? Get the money. Whoever gets the money will get the money. Oh, you first. Try. Don't tip the bottle, okay? Don't tip the bottle.
Get the money. Slowly.
Just get the money. Don't tip the bottle.
Pull it here. Pull it here.
Pull it.
Slowly.
Gently.
No, pull it.
Try.
Oh, your turn.
Okay, you go.
Your turn.
Very quickly. Nice try.
Oh, you try
Again, Tintin. Again. One more chance.
Okay.
Yeah, you do it again.
Try it.
Do this.
Get it.
Faster.
Wala, it's hard.
1, 2, 3, go.
Do. Get it.
Go.
Sabi niya, first time
Do it. Easy.
Pull it. Get it.
Tuntawa siya.
Hindi naman ikaw gumawa.
Pwede ba ka mag-join o isa lang? Isa lang ba? Isa lang?
Per family.
Isa lang.
No, buong family mo na tayo. Ay, kaya tatlo mo na.
It's hard.
It's possible. I think it's possible.
It's possible, but
No, actually, it
So you have to do it like this.
it is impossible to get it. Actually,
it is. I tried it.
it's impossible. It's impossible. It's impossible.
Oh, see? I got it.
It's impossible.
Oh! Galing.
Okay. So, let's play first.
Dapat lahat na lang na para madami.
Yeah, tell me how much you get. So, okay. 1, 2, 3,
Hindi ako
go.
magaling sa ganyan.
Kaya mo yan, Mister. Go.
Show me there.
Go in there. Nahiya na siya kanina eh. Yun. Yeah! More! Kaya pala. Galing! Grabe talaga siya! Panalo na? 2 points na? 20 nga!
Dapat
Pagod ka na?
akala ko sa tingin niyo pa naman. Diba?
Sa cellphone na lang. Model.
Tropical twin. Are giving us everything, the color, coordination, and personal detail. Now, let's get to know your question.
Pwede mag ganon.
What's your question? If Santa were to visit Hawaii, what special gift would you give him?
Oh no, winter. Ikaw.
What will you give Santa? Yeah. What will you give Santa?
I
If he comes here.
believe in the children of Tondo.
Wala maisip. Come on.
Surprise.
Come on. Oh, si Mema na lang.
If Santa, sorry.
I'm so sorry.
My mother.
If I will see Santa, I will give him pineapple. Because I think he must have high blood pressure.
And pineapple.
As a nurse, I believe the pineapple is healthy.
And pineapple gives the doctor away. Thank you. Pineapple.
Okay.
Apple yun eh.
Ano ba yan?
Bakit may apple?
Hawaii kasi, nasa Hawaii tayo.
Okay. Thank you.
We have celebration was Christmas. Alright, that's a family. Here's your question. How would your family celebrate Christmas on tropical island?
English.
In Tagalog.
I can translate that. Tagalogin mo.
Paano mo isa-celebrate ang Christmas? Sa
Isla.
Magpapangka.
Pag-lelechon.
Sa isla nga.
Anong gagawin mo sa isla? Pitulyo. Anong gagawin mo?
I go because I want to
Yeah.
get a fish.
Ah.
Tilapia at sasakay ako sa bangka.
Oh.
That's so nice.
Oh. English mo.
Fantastic.
Anong klaseng
Translate mo.
Yung tumataw.
Additional question. Kung mahulog sa bangka, si Papa o si Marvin, sino ang isasagutin mo? Ano ka? Si Marvin.
Umahulog si Papa ni
Sabi ko,
Here's your question. What does Christmas mean to your family?
Oh, walang iyak-iyak.
No crying.
My family.
For that wonderful question.
No how.
Christmas is means
A lot to me and to my family.
ikaw na lang sa
Sure. Tapos sa question answer ko, di ko kami sagot.
very well, si Coach Anne.
means getting together like today. So
Yeah.
yeah, and full of love.
Yes.
I think
Yes, you wanna see?
Finally, let's welcome the Mesa Junior family from Happy. They're ready for the beach and the holiday.
Parang nasa Hawaii ah.
Here's your question.
Oh my gosh!
If your family were a Christmas dish, what would you be and why? It's pinakbit.
Wow.
Why?
I know because it's sabot-sari. May maalat, may malapit, may mapait, may mahaba. Yung gano'n, basta yun yun. Ang going halo-halo na lang. Make it, like, everything in it. It's very complete. It's very colorful. So it's halo-halo. Ayun na lang.
Yan. Wala kang picture ka rin ah.
Let's give them a round of applause for Messenger family. Yay!
Wala ikaw.
Ganda mo dito.
The latest sponsor of the night.
Diba sinulog? Ginawa mo sinulog.
Before we announce our main category winners, we have some very special individual awards to give out. These awards are from some standout stars who make tonight even more fun and festive. Yay! The first award is drum roll, please. Santa's favorite pineapple goes to this award goes to someone who embodies the perfect blend of tropical fare, holiday And the winner is
Wilson.
Hi! Yes!
Family.
Ramos! Ginagawa mo. May saan pa ninyo kayo dyan eh.
This is our lucky charm.
Pwede mo yung ano, pinya.
Christmas
Hindi mo kay Santa.
Ano ba yung Stevie Wonder pa itong mga Stevie Wonder.
Ay, mali po pala.
Ano ba yan?
Na-Miss Columbia pa tayo. Ano ba yan?
Sorry.
Joke lang.
Oh no! Mia works back. Is that you?
Wilson. Right at the beginning.
It's Wilson.
It's Wilson. It's correct. It's correct. Sorry.
It's Wilson.
I said Wilson. It's the obvious choice.
Oh, wow.
Wow, yes. Wow. Wow, Pia was back.
Santa's favorite farm apple is Wilson Ramos. Family.
Let's sponsor.
Someone is being a little naughty, a little nice, and completely pineapple-licious.
I like that term.
That's two.
Bananas.
Wow. Oh, tayo daw. Thank you. Person? Hansel.
Bananas.
You're naughty. Very naughty.
You're pineapple-licious.
Hoy, wow, kumakaway. Kaway. Wait, picture lang, picture. 1, 2. Ay, kaway.
Dapat kumakaway ka. Dapat kumakaway ka. Project ka.
And now it's time to crown our winners for tonight's pageant. Our judge have made their decision, and I must say it wasn't easy. Let's get to it. The award for Family Best Dressed Tropical Family Fashionista goes to drumroll.
Mesa Chin.
Message Junior. Tropical Family Fashionista. It's actually expensive.
Ay, wow!
Kaya naman yung pa-premyo ko.
Galing sa din always to me. So, I didn't pay for that.
Gusto ko yan.
Dito pala dapat. Si Tintin. Meron pa ba? Tin, you want this one. Look up, Come here. Thank you po.
Si Marvin, hindi ka sa.
Look at the camera.
Look at me.
Look at Tackle.
1, 2. Eloise.
Is for Best Answer Q&A. And the winner is... Drum roll. Huh?
Mesa.
Mesa? My mom? You're the best answer ba? Mama? Wow.
Dami yung uwi niya na.
Hindi ka mapapagod?
Kaya niyo na. charging?
Ayan, heavy. Okay, fine. From Ninong Mommy.
Ninong Mommy. Wow, cutie.
Wow.
What's that?
There's more.
Wow.
It's a blue one. It's a blue one.
So cute.
Wow.
Kompleto na.
Kasi mga vitamins. It's from Ninang Lani.
Wow. Illustration.
I'm excited, come on. I'm excited.
Ayan. Natin ko yan at yet. Ito video. Ito the second.
Go, go.
Wow! Pasensya na, gahanap ng toys yan.
Toys daw, toys. Okay.
Gahanap ng toys yan.
Is that from ano, Wawa?
Hindi, pang Katrina.
How?
Fine. What's that?
Oh.
Wow! 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 Yun talaga siya excited.
Ang ngiti na.
Oh, yun talaga siya excited.
Good pick, good pick.
It's sexy.
Let me help you. Open it, open it.
Wow! What's that? Madali? Wow!
Wow.
Diretso na. Diretso na. Oh, wow!
Parang nagmamadali.
Nagmamadali siya.
Waiting
Wow,
for the main
bata
event.
to. Natutuwa ko talaga
Waiting
siya.
for the main event.
Sebor from Santa. Ano niyo na yung box? Oh, open na, open na. Open it, open it.
Rice dispenser.
What's that? What's that? Curious. Wow! Yeah, yeah.
What's that?
Fall back. Lilith game. Fall.
So you wanna help Tintin? Okay, okay. Sit down.
Help Tintin. Ang cute naman ni Kuya.
Yan eh. Okay na. Ready? 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 Smile muna. Oh, open natin. For the may reward for the Oh, you open na. You help Tintin open.
Open, Tintin! Open! Wow! Sama sila na maayos yung kanya.
What else?
Wow! So many! Mga umiyak.
Nag-away na. Pinali na na.
Red dress!
Wow.
Kasya ba yung shoes ate?
Hindi pa. Ano pa yan next year? Maganda yung malaki.
Cutie! Do you like it? Do you like it? I thought you like Ariel. And Pony.
You like it? You like it?
Yes, machi machi. Machi.
Okay, natin sine-check.
Julia pose naman.
Wala na sabi siyang damit. Wow, ito na. Wow! Oh, what's that? Who's that? Yeah, Barbie. What's her name? It's Chelsea. Chelsea. Look at that. Wow.
Ganun din. Kaya kay Lulu.
You like it? You like it? Okay. Who is this? Who is that? What's this? What's her name? Moana? Wow, look at this one. Moana! You like it? You like it?
Can you stop calling me that? Sorry. Name of the baby.
More, there's more. Wow. You got
What's that?
more
Yay.
dress. You're gonna wear dress, huh?
What's that? Wow.
Glitter.
That's from Wawa. Wow. Wow, another shoes. Kasi yan, para sa mga wow.
More dress.
Ito na, Ate? Ate? Ito na ba? From? Wow.
Ay, nahulog.
You love it?
I'm gonna rap. Aww. Pull the ribbon. Yan.
Yan. Okay. Hold it. Bago niya makita. Hindi ko muna din Wait. Careful.
How about our gift?
This one.
Last one.
Last one. Oh my God.
I love you.
Oh, baka maiyak ang Mema.
Yan ang lagi niya pinubukas sa'yo.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay. Study well.
Pero ano sa inyo? Dalawa yun. Ay, mahaba pa, di ba? Okay pa, di ba? Gamit niya.
Ready pa yung next.
Mahaba, di ba? Oh, mahaba, di ba? Third time.
Wow.
From Nana.
Ready for summer.
Alright. Ano? Tinipid sa rapper.
Ano? Bakit?
Pogi! Pogi ba?
Wow!
Pagod na si Captain America.
Wow!
Kaya pala nanalo sa race.
Oo nga, no?
Kasi next year na yan.
Ulitin this year, tsaka next year.
Ang cute. Terno na terno. May hawk ka na, may Captain America ka pa.
Ano yung bibe?
Ay, ito! Kasi yan. Wala na akong gusto niya gusto.
Ate.
Kanina ay yours, boss. Di ba ginamit na lahat ng lahat? Kami nga kahuli.
Wala nang balot-balot?
Kinalot lang namin yung ano eh. Wow! Sabi ko na nagsasabi na usap na may baby. Nakakamisamahan. Ate, ingat kasi ah.
Ate, doon ka.
Okay, maliit na.
Oh, no.
Kasya nga yan na 3 months.
Ay, kasi yan ngayon, promise.
Yan, props. Props na lang.
Props na siya. Ano yan? Ano yan? Yung parang sleeper?
Ang cute!
Wow! One set. Oy, oy.
Gagi ka na ako.
Pag swimming pa siya, brown partner na.
Ang cute! Ang cute! Ang cute-cute mo! Ang pogi-pogi mo kasi! Pogi sa mga lights.
Ang bigat ka sa mesa! It's heavy! Thank you so much! Heavy!
Wow!
Isa lang!
Careful, ma.
Oh, that's a nice one. Good for your room, ah. Makakabubong ako. Pwede ba?
Wow!
Grabe yun ah!
Gusto ni
Wow!
Yayamanin!
Nagbabagbagpata ng kumada ng ako.
Wow!
At saka naka-ano eyelashes.
Kaya. Ilagay sa bahay. Wala na! Wala na! Nawala! Nawala!
Uy, ma, awak!
Ganun nila! Nila! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Ate niya yun! Happy birthday! Kayo mo sa atin, wala ka na. Painago mo na ka.
Ah, gunting na tawagan, ma.
Kay mami, hindi galing na kay papa yung natanggit. Kay papa hindi gawa namin sa kapatid. Kay papa yung mahaba. Hi, mama and papa. Wow, salamat pare-pare.
Aussie niyan. Akin na ang Aussie.
Ngayon, open mo lang.
Louis, man.
Sunod si Katin. Wow! Oh, wow! Oh, naku! Hindi kong bagay galing lang sa ano, sa... Ay, meron ng wallet ko! Ganda. Ganda ko. May pauwi na. May uwi ka na na. Pinauwi mo na! Pinauwi na! Pinauwi mo na agad! Wow!
Wow!
Balita ko kasi kailangan ko na ko.
Ako rin, kailangan ko rin maleta.
Kaya yung win ko si Hunter. Nakakita ko ang magwala ko. Nakalaga talaga naman.
Kailangan ko rin maleta.
Makawin ko na. Wala din. Yun talaga yung 100 talaga na. Yung pag-isip ka na ng ayan. Thank you so much po.
Okay.
Wala. Ito lang. Ay, simple lang po. Paras kasi. Paras kasi. Kaya, sabay-sabay ko. Hindi lang yan. Open it. First tower ka ba?
Hello,
Ikaw. Ikaw. Kami kami na paano Catholic kaya natin na. Oo. Daddy. Open nyo yan ah. I'm excited. Oh wow, candle.
Wow. Careful, I think it's stapler. There's a stapler.
It's a wine glass. Wow! Swerte naman ang karabuno! Yes, Santa! Ano ba niya? Ay, upo ka, Marvin! Upo ka, Marvin!
Yung akin, alam ko na yung gift ko eh. Crazy! Looks like energy drink. Ah, body spray. I thought energy drink. Kuya, yung good na nandun ah.
Swerte naman! Ikaw mag-dalawa na asawa mo ng PS5.
Kuya, nandito yung gunting.
Busy ang nanay. Gagamitin mo yan.
May pantulog.
Kami sa'yo awkward eye.
May pangtulipo.
Are we talking about yen or peso? Tawag ko dollar or peso?
Don't let your house. I don't mind. Oh, Daniel. The shoes.
Isn't it like last year it snowed well? Was it you? Last year, was it you? No, what, 2 years ago?
Ah, thank you, thank you,
Nakalimutan yung request na yun.
Dami ng bago. Sabi na kayo ibigay.
Mike, yan kailangan mo, kuya. Mike! Magpapalaran tayo para tayo maglalaro.
Webcam.
Webcam.
Request niya, webcam. Parang...
Ano to? Flash
Parang...
May ano na ako. May idea na ako. Hindi naman flashback yun.
Wow, wow.
Gold bar.
1 million gold bar.
Good bar. Mayaman ako.
Kailangan, eto na lang. Pwede na ako. Nakapagod ka. Uy, extra nerve.
Tatakot ako, alam ko please.
Kasi pa sa'yo, maliit na yata. Ang maliit, yung so kapapayad ka na.
So mag-asin.
Asa yan? Asa yan?
Naku, kung binigyan mo yung ano.
Uy, magbenta ka na.
Pero tingin mo na lang.
Baka nilagyan mo na lang. Tonto ako talaga kay ate.
Ha?
Kay ate ako natuwa eh.
Selection na yan.
Timer right?
Extra alert.
First.
Oh, first.
Wow.
Oh, triple X. I'm winning. Winning kayo.
Wala naman tayo sa sapatos ha.
Winning kayo.
Sanay ka siya.
Basta yan. 11 o tama 11 inch. Gusto mo?
Ay, hindi si Pag.
Wow.
Uy, ano to? Nasaan yung sa ito?
Yun, dyan na gusto. Pwede ako rin yun. Yun naman gusto niya. Ano yun, Dada?
Baon.
Ay, boss kumain.
Para alam ko ito mawawala. Yung ano mo ako dyan.
Pagbabae ang brush.
Maganda talaga yung Mr. Fox sa mga kanwars. Can you say?
Kaya pala lagi ginagamit mo kutsara ito.
Teka, bubulat na gusto mamaya ko sa ito.
Wala na.
Wala.
Asa ka pa?
Wow.
Meron.
Oy, kami mas nice.
Amoy ko na si
Ano yun? Ay!
You open the...
Yeah, mine. Yeah, ours. But it's very simple, ah. I'm not sure if you wear it from Sino something. It's... What is it? It's a...
Wow.
It's necktie. It's a necktie. It's necktie.
For the wedding.
For the wedding. I'm not sure. I don't know.
I think it's...
Something. A botones. I think it's for button.
I don't know.
Is that Secret Santa? Yeah. Kumbaga parang gift mo na din lahat. Oh, what's that? Is it a
What's
book?
that?
What's that? Wow. Full set. Another book.
Yeah, another book.
Nice.
Hey.
Ravenlock.
May kwarto ko na hindi pa.
Hoy, suntokin ko ang dalawa.
Sama ka na namin.
What's that?
Ba't parang alam?
Ano ito?
Perfume.
Christianity. Oh, I love you. Oh, nice. How do you know the size, Marvin? Do you ask?
Like 3 years
ago. 3 years ago, I bought
And then you remember or do you have
I have the
like
record, but
may record pala tayo. May record pala talaga eh.
Original record pala kayo dyan.
May record pa. It's a magnet. Oh, it's really cute. It's really cute. It's Daniel. I like it on Mr. Box.
Very thoughtful. Very custom.
Sakto yan eh. Tapos na. Tapos na. Tapos packing up na.
sakto lang, ito.
Bakit dalawa?
Ayaw mo nun?
Hindi ko na-check yung file. Parang alam ko na ito.
Ano? Huwag lang buksan.
Rice cooker?
Alam ko no, we want to know.
Rice cooker? Microwave cooker?
Ano? Microwave. Microwave?
Wow, baking, mama.
The nice color. Like my color.
Gagamitin mo yan.
Yung binigyan ko niya, sikat lang. Ako din na nag-bake. Siguro doon mo itatawihan. Doon, kaamay rin niya.
Yeah, I think everything original. Kung makita yung history ba? Na-excite ako eh. Let's have scratching. Unboxing. Wala ka pa dito. Nice.
All blue.
Nice. Very thoughtful talaga. Nasa tummy mo. Oh, this is really cute. Oh, this is really cute. Nice one. Oh, this is really cute.
Oh, are you on ano? Phone down, sure, phone shell.
Okay, explain ko kung ano yan.
Hindi ko nga alam kung ano mga winish ko dun.
Andan kasi! Ayun yung itsura. Malaki kayo. I-deliver na lang namin sa bahay nyo. Ha, tita?
Okay.
Wala sa mga kasi. Isa yan sa mga na-request mo. Tapos ayun na rin yung maliit. Ano mo din yan? Oo, yung curd. Ayun yun. Thank you.
Okay.
I-deliver na lang namin sa bahay. Kasi laki yun. Wala na kaming space. Kami mamaya. Pag-gawin.
Sure ka?
O kaya bukas. Bukas na lang. Bukas na lang ha. Kasi malaki.
I think this one is your
Oh, is it a light or is it what is it? Is it a light? Oh, it's really cute.
Wow, lagyan ko rin in the
Ay,
office.
really, really
Anchor
cute.
candle.
Is this in pink? Pan. Antok mo yung mga bata. For Gladys Ramos.
Glow kit.
Wow.
Papaganda! Kasi para blow up.
Ano yan? Oh, that's nice color.
Wow.
Yun, bago tayo.
Coffee.
Okay.
Ah, sige.
Coffee is like...
Paano mo natago sa kanya? Nilagay mo na sa ano?
Thank you, Daddy. I was gonna... Ano? Ayaw yung ribbon.
Kuya, ano inayaw sa ribbon?
Travel bag na ako.
Nice. Perfect for January.
Yes.
Nice.
Kaya pala sabi niyo, parang ako na travel.
Oo nga eh.
Thank you. Ginawa niya. Then, napakaganda. Napakaganda. And all pink. Oh my gosh.
Ano mo sabihin, ma'am? Mababaho kami.
Pasensya na ko. All pink.
Nice.
I don't even have your instructions. Thank you.
Really nice.
Napuan ko.
Kailangan pa may color.
Kasi ito yung mga pinag-aral.
Gitara. Drums.
Okay na.
Asset player.
Hindi magpipiknik-piknik lang kayo. Pero, there's something inside ah.
Wow!
Buksan mo yung loob. Yan.
Ready na tayo kumamping.
May laman talaga yan.
Ano yan?
May power bank.
Ay, request mo. Yan yung
Okay.
request mo.
Thank you. Power bank. Thank you, Ate Gladys. Thank you kay Kuya. Hey.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
O, buksan mo na.
Ano gusto mo yung ilaw?
Ganyan, same lang din. Ay,
Thank you.
Ganda.
pagkatapos sa office. Ganun pag long distance lang kayo, pero gano'n, hindi na lang gano'n. Baka mag-flight out. Parang meron
Thank
kayo.
you.
Kasi luma
Wala
na
siya.
yung kanya. Luma na.
Uy, mas bago pa ito. Binigay ko sa'yo.
Si Rebax, si Rebax. Wow!
Satan.
Tag na. Another pa bango. Gumamit ka ha.
Make up na tayo.
Ikikip natin yan para sa bahay.
Mami, may kutsara na ako.
Ay!
Bakit?
Ay, ganda!
Oh, at least meron na. Nice.
May papasok na.
May papasok na.
Thank you, Marvin! Kanino daw yan? Kanina? Walang pangalan. Sa'yo kaya?
Wow.
Yes! YSL! Who gave that one? Me! Wow! Request niya.
Gusto rin yung malalaki.
Mabango ha?
Oy, ako lang.
Alam ka na, nabayat ako para sa'yo.
Ano ka doon? Kasha ba?
Oo, kasya po.
Kasha? Wait,
Gusto talaga kayo pagkayete.
Ganon talaga yung mga ano ko, pasimple. Pasimple. Nasabi niya, kailangan magpapayat. Drinking game,
Mag-ano, magpapainom ako ah.
baka!
Tarat na! Tarat na! Soju lang. Basta soju lang.
Hindi ka umiinom.
May coke naman ah.
O, pwede yan. O, Angkol, kung kailangan mo ng katumahan. Nandito kami. Ha?
Oo, buntis ko na naman yung
Hindi nga.
Walang inom.
Ay, buntis na pala ako.
Kaya nga, sabi ko daw.
My gosh! Buntis na pala
Ito ba yun? Basta may pakulot.
May pakulot.
Ang tagal pa ako silang taong ko ng direct.
Gusto mo ba yung
At least,
ginaganda ng
nice, Gucci.
Uy, nakaba. Parang kang others.
Nice. Yamani.
Yamani.
Wallet.
Di ba mahilig ako sa lang wallet?
May pag-Gucci. May palaban ng Gucci.
Kumaban. Bahala ka. Yun lang, yun lang. Pampaswerte yan next
naman.
year.
Lagyan mo ng 20, ganun.
Send na send pa nga.